In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve, whether you're optimizing playback while you edit or preparing a project for a specific platform. Knowing how to adjust timeline resolution gives you control over both performance and output quality. Remember, timeline resolution affects how your project is displayed and processed as you work. It doesn't lock you into a final export size, but it sets the canvas your edit lives on. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve and opening the project you want to adjust. If you're starting fresh, that's fine too. Setting the resolution early can help you avoid reframing later. Once your project is open, look to the bottom right corner of the interface for the gear icon. That's the project settings button. Click it to open the project settings window where most of your foundational options live. Inside the project settings, make sure you're on the master settings tab. This tab is typically selected by default, and it's where you control key project-wide parameters. Take a moment to scan the section headers so you get oriented. It helps to know where things are when you come back to tweak settings later. Now, locate the timeline resolution section. This is the control center for the size of your editing canvas. A higher resolution means a bigger, sharper canvas, great for 4K delivery or heavy cropping, but it can also be more demanding on your system. A lower resolution can make editing smoother, especially on complex timelines with lots of effects. From here, use the drop-down menu to pick a preset or choose custom to enter your own dimensions. Common presets like 1920 by 1080 for Full HD or 3840 by 2160 for Ultra HD are solid choices for most projects. If you're creating vertical or square content, custom lets you dial in exact widths and heights, such as 1080 by 1920 for vertical video. As you decide, think about where the video will be published and what your footage was shot in. Matching your timeline to your delivery needs keeps scaling clean and reduces surprises later. After selecting your resolution, click Save to apply the changes. Your timeline will update immediately. If you've already placed clips, you may notice how they fit changes depending on the new dimensions. That's normal. Play through a few shots to confirm framing looks right and that performance feels good on your machine. That's it. You've successfully changed the timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. A quick tip before we wrap up: during heavy edits, consider working at a lower resolution for smoother playback, then switch back to your delivery resolution before you export. Thanks for watching and happy editing.